Okay, on the back, I'm gonna go hit unlock. When I unlock it, this is gonna come off. Right here, this can come off. Oh, wait. See how that comes off easily? So you can't mount the Alien B ABR ring light without taking this out. So you take this one out first, and then you put it on the front, and then you screw it from the back right over here. Swing that light, that camera over here. And then you can actually wing nut it from here once that's done. As you can see, it's flush right there. And then there's this level that actually locks it right here that you gotta close in when you put in this cover. So we're gonna go ahead and put the cover back on. So as you can see, there's this right here. You just have to make sure that it's right there. And then now I'm gonna lock it again. So now it can't come off. So now it's locked. Now, on this part right here, in order for you to mount this guy, you have to cut the Alien B, that thing that sticks out, by whatever flush, and then you can mount this. Otherwise, that thing is just gonna be sticking out there. Okay, guys? All right. Thank you.